Q8935. The aerodynamic force acting on a rotating propeller blade operating at a normal pitch angle tends to A. Reduce the pitch angle. B. Increase the pitch angle. C. Bend the blade's rearward in the line of flight. The correct answer is B. The aerodynamic force acting on a rotating propeller blade operating at a normal pitch angle tends to increase the pitch angle. The aerodynamic forces generated by the propeller blades tend to push the blade into a higher pitch angle, creating thrust and propelling the aircraft forward. Q8936. Which of the following forces or combination of forces operates to move the blades of a constant speed counterweight-type propeller to the high-pitch position? A. Engine oil pressure acting on the propeller piston cylinder arrangement and centrifugal force acting on the counterweights. B. Centrifugal force acting on the counterweights. C. Prop governor oil pressure acting on the propeller piston cylinder arrangement. The correct answer is B. The forces that operate to move the blades of a constant speed counterweight-type propeller to the high-pitch position are centrifugal force acting on the counterweights. The centrifugal force generated by the rotating propeller causes the counterweights to move outward, which in turn increases the pitch angle of the propeller blades. Q8937. The purpose of permanently sealing and partially filling some models of McCauley propeller hubs with dyed oil is to A. Provide an always clean separate lubrication of the internal parts. B. Dampen pressure surges and prevent too rapid changes in propeller blade angle. C. Make the location of cracks readily apparent. The correct answer is C. The purpose of permanently sealing and partially filling some models of McCauley propeller hubs with dyed oil is to make the location of cracks readily apparent. The dyed oil is used as a visual indicator to detect any cracks or damage in the propeller hub, making them easier to identify during inspections. Q8938. Which of the following best describes the blade movement of a feathering propeller that is in the high RPM position when the feathering action is begun? A. High pitch through low pitch to feather position. B. Low pitch through reverse pitch to feather position. C. Low pitch through high pitch to feather position. The correct answer is C. The blade movement of a feathering propeller that is in the high RPM position when the feathering action is begun is best described as low pitch through high pitch to feather position. In this scenario, the propeller blades transition from a low pitch angle to a high pitch angle before reaching the feather position. Q8939. The blade angle of a fixed pitch? A. Is greatest at the tip. B. Is smallest at the tip. C. Increases in proportion to the distance each section is from the hub. The correct answer is B. The blade angle of a fixed-pitch propeller is smallest at the tip. In a fixed-pitch propeller, the angle of the blade remains constant along its length, and the tip of the blade has the smallest angle compared to the root or hub section.